In this video, we are going to see the numerical problems on the soil properties. In the first problem, we have seen a soil sample is having a specific gravity is given, void ratio is 0.78, water content required to fully saturate the soil at that void ratio is dash. This question is given as IES objective question. IES objective question. Second question is a fill having a volume of 1,50,000 metric cube to be constructed at a void ratio of 0.8. The borrow pit soil has a void ratio of 1.4. Volume of soil to be excavated from the pit is dash. This is embankment and fill type problem. Third problem is a soil deposit has a void ratio of 1. If the void ratio is reduced to 0.6 by compaction, the percentage volume loss is dash. So you have to find the percentage volume loss from the fundamental equations. Fourth question, a soil sample has a bulk density is given, water content is given, find gamma d by using the above equations which we have discussed in our earlier lectures. This was asked in Airport Authority of India JEE examination. This is assertion reason type question also asked in IAS exam. Once try this question. Next question is also simple question that we have discussed this concept. This is concept based question. You have to find the volume of air. Seventh question is again borrow pit embankment problem. Find the volume of soil required to construct the embankment given all the other data. Next problem is again borrow pit and embankment problem. Here one truck is there which carries this borrow area soil to field soil. So you are asked to find the number of truckloads. How many number of truckloads are there? That is asked in the question. Water content is given. Estimate the quantity of soil to be excavated from the pit. This is you are asked to find. This is also previous gate question. Very important question. Ninth question is the total unit weight of soil is given, specific gravity, water content. You are need to calculate all the remaining data. This is 5 marks question. Descriptive question. At that time there is no objective question. Only descriptive questions are used to be there in gate exam. 10th one, ratio of saturated unit weight to dry unit weight is given. Find the void ratio of soil solids. This is again same question like borrow pit embankment problem. But there are 3 borrow pits A, B and C. Cost of moving the earth is also given. You need to find the which pit is most economical. Once try all these numerical problems. We are sending this video. Once try all the numerical problems. If any problem you cannot solve, means there is difficulty in solving the question. Immediately after this we will send the solutions also. After once have a glance at all the questions, have a look at the questions and take a pen and paper and once try to practice on your own. If you cannot practice, any doubts are there, next we will discuss the solutions in the next class, next video. We will make another video based on all the solutions. We will give detailed solutions from A to Z. Don't worry, all the best.